Welcome back to my channel. I feel really weird because it has been so long since I have worn any makeup or gotten ready. I don't even know who this is right now. So some of you guys wanted a room tour and a lot of you guys have been asking me where I got certain things, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little room tour and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where I got everything. So if you wanna change up your room or you just like any of my furniture or decoration, this is what I've been doing all of quarantine. I was kind of like super motivated the first few weeks and then I was like, you know what, I've been hating my room. I have time to change it up, so that's what I was doing. This took me like 2 weeks and after this I'm working on my office, so hopefully that looks super cute as well. Hopefully this inspires you to maybe just move your furniture around, make your room look cuter. Just since we are just at home all day, really changing up your environment, liking your environment, or even changing it up just so it's a little new makes you feel so much better. You actually want to be admiring, you know, your surroundings. So let's do the room tour. Walk into my room. It's a pretty good size, I would say, I guess. I don't know. We'll start out with like this wall. I have this Simba. Favorite movies is The Lion King. It just represents a lot to me. This was originally in my room and I just brought it in because it matched the color scheme. You can tell I did paint my room like this super light gray. I'll put the name down below because I don't remember what it's called. First off, this is the first thing that I found when I knew I wanted to redo my room. It is a swing and I've always wanted a swing in my room. So this one's really cool because it's like a dark gray. I got this thing off Amazon. I got most of the stuff on Amazon because I wasn't obviously going out right now. I got this seat cover and it's just like this really fluffy, more comfortable because the seat is like this under. I got a set of pillows that were like plant pillows and I'll also add that below. And that's one of the pillows that came with it. This eucalyptus vine, and I went with eucalyptus because it's my favorite essential oil. I need to fix this because I kind of hate that they did this. Only like one side has the print. So I have to figure out a way to like make that look a little better. The reason why I added the vines was because this chain here that we put in was showing and it just didn't match the aesthetic, I guess. There. So here are my closet doors, which I love. Up here I have my plant propagations. Let me know if you guys want me to start making videos about plants and stuff. I just got into them, but I've learned so much during the quarantine because that's literally all I've been watching Plantarina, my favorite YouTuber right now. Those are plant propagations that I have up there in that shelf. But yeah, if you guys want me to make videos on plants, just give this video a like because I'm like really bored right now and that would be pretty fun. I have this other shelf on top. These shelves I didn't purchase, my dad built them. So yeah, but they're just folding shelves. You could really find them anywhere. And then I have some plants here. All of the pots are also from Amazon. And if you guys really like them, I'll also link them down below. We have this shelf. Is literally everything. I love how cool this is. It adds so much to the room. So I got this off Amazon. Guys, I got like everything off Amazon. And what I like about this is a 5 shelf. Is that what it's called? 5 level shelf? I don't know. It has 5 levels to it. They also have smaller ones and they have a bunch of colors, but I really love the contrast between the light and the dark gray. And I just have some succulents up here and a mother's tongue. Yeah, mother's tongue. So now this is my mirror. So I did add some lights. This originally was from my first room. I added these push lights and then they're on both sides, but usually my projector's always up, so I don't even turn on the other side if I'm using it. So I just really like the whole setup I did because I really wanted to put my mirror somewhere where if I took any photos or anything, the background was just pleasing to the eye. Because I remember when I had this mirror originally in my first room, the background was like the worst part of my room. So every time I would take a picture, I just hated it. And here I have my favorite plant ever, which is the Monstera deliciosa. Look how beautiful she is. And we just have this really cute pot that I got from Lowe's. Look how cute it is. It's like a grayish and it looks like wood, and I just love it. Here is my projector. The screen I got from my aunt, I believe, because she works at a school, yeah. Which it's super old, so I don't even remember. Here's my desk. I love this desk. It's so just simple, and it doesn't take up too much space, because I've noticed a lot of desks just take up too much space, so I just wanted something small that gets the job done. This desk is from IKEA, and I just like it. It has like the perfect amount of compartments. And then I just have a plant here, a little succulent, and I have these really cute like yoga grills. I just love them. I got those off Amazon as well. But I just love how minimal and sleek my desk looks. Then I obviously kept my Audrey painting as well from my last room, just because I love Audrey, she's queen. Here I have, what is this plant called? Oh my god, I forgot. I hate myself. But this plant is cute. It just needs some work. Don't look at her, guys. She's going through it. Like this little woven basket, which is so cute. I could use it for pots. I could use it for blankets or towels or whatever. So it's pretty multi-purposeful. Ignore all the cables back there. I need to figure out a way to hide them. But originally this chair was pink, and we just sprayed it over white so it could match everything. And I actually really love it white. It just looks so sleek. So this vanity, I always get a lot of questions about it and about where I got it. This was actually my senior project in high school. So yeah, it's a custom vanity. Yes, I was in construction as my program in high school, so basically built this. I love it. So here I have a little fan just for air circulation. Little fake plant from my old room. I have Peter Pan up there, my favorite book, and just my wig, even though I don't wear wigs anymore because my hair is so long. But on my vanity, I just have some palettes. I have my 3 favorite perfumes, some of my brushes, and my skincare, and this beautiful plant as well. So now, for my bed area, I need to buy a new bed skirt because this bed skirt is so old and ugly, but I'm just waiting, so pretend that does not exist. Look how beautiful it looks outside my window. Like, wow, I'm obsessed. This I got from a TikTok. If you've seen those like window covers that make everything look like a rainbow. So this, I only put it on the top, and then like around sundown, it'll have like a rainbow on the side of my vanity, which is cute. 2 little succulents here. It's so crazy. This is what I love about plants, guys, that this succulent right here was literally, it looked like it was dead. Like I was scared. I thought it died. I was gonna throw it away. And I moved it here to more light and gave it more water, and it's thriving. It's like almost completely back to normal. And it's so cool to just watch your plants kind of thrive, moving them around, doing like little experience with them. It's so fun. Here I have my diffuser. I also got this off Amazon. It was originally like a wooden color, and I painted it white. Right, here is my bed. I love this. I cannot wait until my philodendrons and pothos get super long behind the bed and it just looks like a wall of vines. So here's my bed. This comforter is from Amazon, guys. I think it was $30. It's so fluffy and soft. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it. I cannot believe it was $30. Best investment ever. I'll link it down below. I believe they have different colors. I'm not sure, but the white is like so white. Sometimes it's hard to find a white comforter because it's a little creamy or like off-whitish, but this even makes my pillows right here not look white, and my pillows are very white. So that's just how white this one is, but I love it. So cute. Pillows, I just have the 2 pillows that came with this. I have 2 fluffy gray pillows, and then these pillows came with a set that I just love. They're so cute, and they just tie everything together. So here's my favorite painting. Thankfully, it's still, well, it matches my new room actually a lot more than the old one. Wish I could tell you guys where I got it, but I remember I got it from a painter. So for this part of my room, probably my favorite part, honestly, I have my humidifier. This little like temperature humidify thing. I know that my plants are doing well. My humidity has been so high lately. I'm like still trying to get used to higher humidity levels. Doing wonders for my skin. And my plants, they're really happy. I have this adorable plant here, and I have another beautiful plant in here. Love this plant. It's like the perfect plant to cover outlets and such, so I have her there. She gets pretty good amount of light in here too. This candle that my boyfriend got me, so cute. It smells amazing. I don't really burn candles anymore, but there's this girl, she makes like handmade candles, super cute. I'll link her down below. I have a few candles from her. It looks so ugly now, but trust me, like when they come to you, they have like flowers and stuff. They're so cute. I love this section. That is weird, guys. She thrives at night. She's a little freak because in the morning she looks like I abuse her, and then at night she just like springs up and looks like gorgeous. But she's beautiful. She has pink on her leaves. But yeah, she's not a daytime kind of gal, and that's fine. We'll just let her chill. And I have these two other plants here. Oh my god, we're blinded. My projector, I have a fern that I know I'm going to kill eventually. And then I have some plants here. Just have like plants and some plant supply things and decorations and stuff. Don't judge him. He is doing a yoga pose. I think it's the cobra, not downward dog. Yeah, but he's just chilling, leave him alone. Everyone makes fun of him. And then I have this cute thing that my boyfriend got me. I like to use it as a nightlight sometimes. Isn't that pretty? I love this thing. I just painted the base white so it could match everything. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. A lot of people have also been asking me tips. A lot of the stuff I reused. A lot of the stuff I actually had at home that I didn't even use. I built me a bunch of stuff. And I got some really affordable stuff, like my comforter and stuff was all really affordable. If you really like neutrals, pick like 1 or 2 neutrals. It's like I did like a gray, a white, and then like a pop of color. So obviously I did green because I have a lot of plants. You could do yellows, really beautiful, like little pops of whatever color you'd like. That's cute. I also really do like colorful rooms. If you want to do like a jewel inspired colored room, like turquoises and purples and really rich colors, just first come up with the color scheme and then just take it slow. You know, it took me like a week to find everything I liked. Pick a few stable things. Like my stable pieces were like my swing and kind of that section over there with the plants. I don't like making my bed the stable piece of the room because I know a lot of people like to put their bed in the middle and kind of work around it, but I like to shove it in a corner and kind of just make the rest really pretty. So yeah, those are my tips. I'll have everything linked down below. We'll be back with like some plant videos. And I want to do like a skincare routine because I just started getting into skincare, like really affordable, amazing skincare that has definitely changed my skin. So I'll probably be doing that soon. I'm like sweating because of the humidity in here. Subscribe, like the video, comment below. If you guys want me to make any specific videos, just let me know. I have all the time in the world right now, obviously. If you like my shirts, it is from my online shop, savsei.com. I'll also have this shirt linked down below. Have a good day, stay healthy, stay home.